Hi everyone, meteorologist Chad Evans here with a look at your daily weather forecast video, sponsored always by Trent Johnson State Farm. Give him a big thanks. TrentIsMyAgent.com. Today, the wind is one of the big weather stories, also the warmth too, and the fire danger. But boy, are the leaves tumbling down. There are leaves blowing everywhere today as we get past the peak here of fall color. Now, the leaves are tumbling down rapidly, and they're really going to tumble down come next week. The brush, grass, and field fire risk continues for a little longer this evening, and then it's back tomorrow, especially later in the day, before we see some rainfall that quashes the brush fire risk into Friday. But some showers, scattered showers, and a couple isolated thunderstorms Friday morning gives way to a period of drier weather, then some rainfall later Saturday, and then it's rain, and yes, snow showers are in the forecast with the coldest weather since early spring. The good thing is this burst of cold won't necessarily last very long. It will warm up, then it gets wet and stormy, but then we get much colder again before Thanksgiving with some more snow potential. So a little up and down forecast here over the next few weeks. But today the wind has been strong. Peak gust 33 at the Purdue Airport, a gust of 34 miles an hour, Delphi. 38 at the Florida Airport, Galveston Airport. We measured a gust of 36 miles an hour. 35 at Logansport, gust of 41 Fowler, and 34 down at Covington. Temperatures are now falling behind our front a little more. We're down to 61 at Galveston and Logansport, as well as Monticello, 60 at Remington, but look, it's still 68 at Rockville, but it's 57 Rochester. Highs today, though, were as high as 71 degrees down here in our southwestern counties. 64 to 71 were the highs. And if you look here, I-65 at Remington and also Brookston, note the haziness to the sky as the clouds pull out of here. And this hazy kind of sky, well, this is smoke. We've got multiple prairie, savanna, and forest fires burning. So, some are controlled, some are not, up here in Minnesota, North Dakota, as well as Wisconsin. This is Wisconsin, this is Minnesota. Note the number of fires that are burning in Wisconsin right now. Some of that smoke is drifting southeastward. Our front is going through, again, a lot of the clouds, especially in our northeastern counties today, clouds pulling out. Now we got a clear night ahead, and with a clear sky, calming winds, and very dry air, widespread frost is expected. But the clouds increase tomorrow. So note the clouds increasing from the west tomorrow through the day, and it becomes cloudy tomorrow night, and then we'll be watching this band of scattered showers and a couple isolated thunderstorms that pass through Friday morning. It will be coming in 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. It should be pretty fast moving. So once it's in, then it's out in a matter of about 4 hours, but it will put down some rainfall. It's not going to be a huge amount of rain, generally less than a half an inch, less than 45/100ths of an inch of rainfall. And then we start to get some clearing in the afternoon before more clouds rotate back in a little bit on Friday night. Now, this is Saturday, so another system comes through. So the Friday one's long gone. Here's the Saturday one. That brings showers later on Saturday, especially very late afternoon and into the evening, and some showers into Saturday night, and the winds crank up once again as well. And then behind that, much colder air will come in. But with both of those systems, here's your severe weather risk area. It is southwest Ohio, southern Indiana, back down to Mississippi, Arkansas, southeast Missouri, even southeast Oklahoma, northeast Texas. So here's your severe weather area. This is marginal to slight risk. This is the St. Louis University analog severe weather called SIPS, and it shows us where the severe weather will most likely be based on past events. We compare that to the forecast from the Storm Prediction Center, and they've got the marginal risk from southwest Ohio, far southeast Indiana, back down to Mississippi, and the slight risk northern Alabama into Tennessee and Kentucky. So severe weather stays away from our area, but the cold doesn't. Here is the wind blowing strongly on Sunday and Monday, and much colder air coming in. Snow showers not only from a little disturbance, a little storm system coming in from the northwest, but lake effect too. And we'll have a mix of rain and snow showers developing Sunday. Snow showers certainly peaking in coverage on Sunday night, and some snow showers on Monday. And with temperatures tanking into the 20s, not only maybe we get a little dusting of snow perhaps in parts of our area, less than an inch. Some of that may stick on bridges and overpasses because it may be cold enough. Even though the surfaces and the ground is warm, we may get down to 24 degrees. So it's got a better shot at sticking a little bit as the cold works in the entire eastern half of the U.S. Temperatures running below to well below normal for a few days. Now this is the snowfall forecast, accumulation forecast. You can see these areas like here's Michigan. We see areas of more than 3 inches of snow in these lake effect zones. Here we are, and it does appear there will be some localized areas that get some dustings of snow, perhaps Sunday night and into early Monday morning. Now, after that, though, cold goes away. Look at this. All of a sudden, just like a flip, we warm up. We go back well above normal towards the mid part of November. I think November 15th through the 19th, temperatures above normal. Some places may hit 70 again, and it gets active. We're looking at showers and storms impacting our area right here. So a front will come in. The front stalls, and little storm systems will ride along that front, and multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected for our area during that time frame. And then after that, it gets cold again, and we got to watch for snow risk before Thanksgiving. But that rainfall mid-month, I think a lot of the areas, or perhaps even the entire area, gets more than 1.5 inches of rain, and the severe weather risk will be pretty close to us, and we may end up with one day or two where we've got severe weather risk here, believe it or not. But after that, and before Thanksgiving, here we go, another shot of temperatures a good 15 to 20 degrees below normal. Tonight, though, we cool off. We're down to 30. Winds go calm, 28 to 32. Should do it for low temperatures. For tomorrow, we warm back up anywhere from mid-50s to low 60s. A lot of sunshine initially, then increasing clouds. Late in the day, the wind starts to really pick up from the southeast as our cold front approaches. And with that front, a band of scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms on Friday morning. Then the sun comes back out. The wind cranks up in a big way, gusts 30 to 44, a high of 65, but starting to fall late in the afternoon with highs anywhere from 62 to 68, looking good area wide. And finally, for the Purdue-Ohio State matchup at Ross-Ade on Saturday, kickoff at 1. Clouds will be increasing and thickening. The good news is the storm system is a hair delayed, so it's really going to be halftime and afterward for any shot at getting some scattered showers into the area. So there is your extended forecast. 61 tomorrow after the 30 in the morning, the 65 on Friday, the 58 on Saturday for a high, 42 Sunday, scattering of rain and snow showers, and a lot of wind. A lot of wind, especially late Saturday. A lot of wind on Monday with some scattered snow showers. Snow shower coverage peaks Sunday night to early Monday morning, and with 24, it's got a better shot of sticking better. So dustings of snow, less than 1 inch generally, and we will watch and see perhaps bridges and overpasses, less traveled roads. Get some icy spots, some slick spots. Veterans Day, 18 in the morning, 39 in the afternoon. Windy, warmer by next Wednesday at 48. And then we start to warm up again, 50s, eventually 60s for a few days with quite a bit of rainfall and some thunderstorms down the road.